Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is February 3rd, 7 p.m. Tuesday. Just a quick recap and rest of the week outlook. Starting off with NQ. Now, again, we were right with expecting bearishness, and we did get a lot of bearishness actually. So, starting off at the beginning of the week, I was anticipating that move higher. I was anticipating that move lower, and then from there after that move lower, higher. And then yesterday I had mentioned that I would look for shorts up here. And yeah, that's exactly what we did. So looking at it on the hourly, we had London trade bearish, Asia trade bullish. So kind of like Asia and London were used together to kind of accumulate. And then we used early New York AM, 8 a.m. to sweep some highs that were in London, sweep the consolidation highs, and then from there we moved lower. And this right here, this level right here was inverted. So this, and even on the 1 hour too, um, it was some sort of inverted too. But yeah, within this as well, we had this 1 hour bearish FEG. We failed to go higher up here, started going lower, and then again the 8 a.m. popped higher as a liquidity raid, failing to go higher. Um, I decided to enter shorts, and where I actually had a really good trade this time, and we'll get more into that. But on the 15-minute, the idea was we wanted to see either this high, this high, this high swept and reacted off of. And yeah, we got this high right here. So my idea, or my model, so to say, is determine bias. Within bias, look for a 1 hour level that aligns with bias. So that bearish FEG 1 hour. From there, look for a 15-minute internal. So a 15-minute internal liquidity. So a liquidity sweep inside of the range. And that's that right here. And then SMT. And then enter on change in state of delivery. So flipping from bullish to the bearish candle. I gave it a little bit more time before I decided to enter here. And I should have the 100% correct execution on MNQ. And yeah, I actually took 2 trades. So yesterday the problem with me not entering was I never got that liquidity sweep at 9:30 as I had mentioned. So we actually got liquidity sweep at like 8 a.m. So today I didn't want to make that same mistake. So what I did was I took a 1 micro, or I'm sorry, is it micro? Yeah, 1 micro, 1 MNQ up here at the 8:30 or at the 8 a.m. sweep, and then I wanted to wait till 9:30, and if 9:30 did not show willingness to sweep, then I would have entered shorts. That's exactly what happened. So I was short here, and then 9:30 opened. It moved higher. I was able to move my stops, and then from there I was able to add another position within this right here on this 1 minute. So I was then able to scale in, I believe it was 3 more micros. So now I had a total of 4 micros running, and I had a really good trade. I was able to catch this 150 point move with the extra 3 that I caught, with the extra 3 that I scaled into, and then I was able to take off my final one partial left at this 327 range, which was the like the equilibrium of the range that I was looking for. And I mean, you can see we even went another 200-300 points. So Yeah, really crazy market, but I'm not complaining. I'm happy that being patient paid off and I was able to recover. Luckily, I was actually able to record this off my phone, so I think I'm going to share that video, that live execution video, um, maybe today. I'll see if I have time to get it out today. If not, sometime this week. But I want you to keep in mind that yes, I do have the 1 minute open and I am trading the 1 minute, or I am like on the 1 minute, but I'm not trading on the 1 minute. I'm just kind of managing my trade on the 1 minute. My idea comes all the way from this daily consolidation into the 1 hour, into the 15 minute, and then and only then am I able to go into the 1 minute and manage my trade from there. And yeah, and it ended up working out. Uh, Hopefully you can check out that video and yeah, learn something. But it was very rewarding to be patient. It was very rewarding to not revenge trade after losing a lot of money last week and blow my account. It's very rewarding to just be patient, wait for what I say is going to happen and execute on that. Or not really say what's going to happen, more like what my plan is, and then execute on that, right or wrong. Moving into the dollar was, I guess, kind of consolidated, you could say. And um, it kind of started reacting off of this imbalance right here with this big FEG over here. So we'll have to see how it wants to react from here. Maybe it wants to move lower, which again aligns with bullish NQ now that we're at the bottom of the consolidation. Looking at ZB real quick. ZB, same idea as NQ. It manipulated lower consolidation, bottom end of the consolidation. Maybe now we start to see that move higher back into the consolidation. And of course, even NQ, same idea again. We're at the bottom range of this consolidation, so maybe look for a pop higher. And yeah, I mean, if we don't get that, and if we do break below that consolidation, then I, I wouldn't mind. I was able to take advantage of this consolidation pretty nicely, so it would be pretty nice to see a change in market structure shift or some type of change into a more range, uh, larger ranged trading conditions. So yeah, hope you found this insightful. I will hopefully get that execution video out. Um, Take care, be safe.